In order to use bit.ly to shorten a URL, you first need to have the actual URL or the link where you want the students to go. So one place that you could have them go is jigsawplanet.com. And you can create your own jigsaw puzzle here. So if you have an image that you've created, you can make it as easy as or as hard as you want. I would suggest making it kind of easy. The goal here is to just put together the puzzle, right? But you can create your own. For this sake, though, I'm not going to create my own. You can look through how to do that. Let's say I want to just link out to this Hawaiian flower as a puzzle. So what I can do is I'm going to click on the URL up here, and I'm going to copy that. So I'm just going to use Control-C to copy, and then I'm going to go to bit.ly, and here it's going to allow me to create these shortcuts. Now, I already have a login for this, so you can create a login for this, and that's what's going to allow you to customize those links. So for example, if I go create now, and I paste the long URL, this is the one from Jigsaw Planet, so I'm going to paste that in there, and I can click. So now it shows me what the title of it's going to be, and then this is going to be what that site actually is. So if I go to bit.ly/2tmsvie, and it is case sensitive, so you need to make sure that that's an uppercase T and an uppercase V, that you can keep. Now, if you have not logged in, if you didn't create an account inside here, then you are not able to customize these. But because I have an account, I can customize it. So I can call this GECDSB, let's say BO1, right, for Breakout 1. And so I'll save that. So now you can see that if I have a link somewhere inside the lock or inside the site somewhere, and they have to type that in. If they go bit.ly/GECDSBBO1, it will bring them right to that vacation Hawaiian cluster of flowers. Okay, so that's how you use bit.ly as a way to make shortcuts to URLs, just so that you don't have to show that URL or anything like that. So bit.ly is a powerful tool you can use for a bit shortener. And then you can also use this as Jigsaw Planet as one of your clues.